Okay, good afternoon and welcome. This is our 1 p.m. focus for levels 4 to 5. My name is Melissa. I am from Australia and I am a teacher down at Myers in Naples. Welcome today and please introduce yourself, say hello, your name and where you are from. Our focus this afternoon is grocery shopping. And in this focus, we will look at countable and uncountable nouns, quantifiers, and using the verb get. Get has many definitions. In this focus, get will mean buy. To get or to buy. Some discussion questions. Do you do the food shopping? Do you like to do it? Why or why not? Do you prefer big supermarkets, small grocery stores, or outdoor markets? And what do you buy most often? So, when we talk about food shopping, okay, this is to go shopping for groceries, okay, for groceries or food, maybe at the supermarket or the outdoor market, but the food shopping is to go shopping for groceries or food for your home. Okay. Do you like to do it? Let's remember our verbs of preference. We can say, I love, I really like, I like, I don't mind, I don't like, or I hate. Okay, these are our possibilities from strongest positive to strongest negative. I love doing the food shopping, doing with ing. I really like doing the food shopping. I like doing the food shopping. I don't mind doing the food shopping. Don't mind is neutral. I don't like doing the food shopping. Or I hate doing the food shopping. Hate is a very strong negative. Okay. For me, I really like doing the food shopping. Okay. I really like doing the food shopping. Why? Because I love cooking and I love eating. So I really like doing the food shopping. Question 2. Which do you prefer? Big supermarkets, small grocery stores, or outdoor markets? I prefer big supermarkets. I prefer big supermarkets because I like to get everything I need in one place. So I prefer big supermarkets. What do you buy most often? I buy bread and mozzarella most often. Okay, oops. I buy bread and mozzarella most often. Okay, I buy bread and mozzarella most often. I sometimes buy tomatoes and milk and bananas and eggs. But most often, I buy bread and mozzarella because I buy bread and mozzarella every day. And you? What do you buy most often? Okay, groceries. What do you need to buy at the supermarket? Make a shopping list. Are the items on your list countable or uncountable? Here is my shopping list. Salt, pepper, peach, broccoli, eggplant or aubergine. In Australia, we say eggplant. Chicken, lemon, jam, yogurt or yogurt, depending on accent. In Australia, yogurt. And onion. Countable or uncountable? Let's see. Salt is uncountable. Pepper is uncountable. Peach, countable, because you can have 1 peach, 2 peaches, 3 peaches. Okay? 1 salt, 2 salts. It's not possible. So it's uncountable. Broccoli is uncountable. The big part of the broccoli, we call it a head of broccoli. A head of broccoli. Eggplant is countable. 1 eggplant, 2 eggplants. Chicken is uncountable. As a food, chicken is uncountable. As an animal, chicken is countable. On the farm, you can have 1 chicken, 2 chickens, 3 chickens. As a food, we measure chicken in grams or kilograms. Lemon. Lemon is countable. 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons. Jam. Jam is uncountable. Yogurt. This is uncountable. To quantify yogurt, the container, we call it a tub of yogurt. A tub of yogurt. Okay, or we can measure yogurt in grams and kilograms. Onion is countable. Onion is countable. Here we have questions for countable or uncountable nouns. How much salt have you got? I haven't got any. How much is for uncountable nouns. How many lemons have you got? I've got 3. How many is for countable nouns. So, how much is for uncountable. Oops. And how many is for countable nouns. Let me this up for you. Okay. And we use any with negative responses. I haven't got any. This means 0. Some questions, for example. How much coffee have you got? How much? Because coffee is uncountable. How much coffee have you got? I've got 300 grams of coffee. I've got 300 grams of coffee. We can measure the drink in a cup of coffee, but in the kitchen, we describe coffee or measure coffee in grams. How many bananas have you got? How many? Because bananas are countable. How many bananas have you got? I've got 4 bananas. I've got 4 bananas. I've got 4 bananas. Some more examples for you of countable nouns or countable foods. Strawberries. Potatoes, tomatoes, and eggs. Hello, Fabrizia. Welcome. Some more examples of uncountable nouns for you. Bread, butter, cheese, sugar, okay. These are some uncountable nouns. Okay. Some is for positive sentences. Okay, some is for positive sentences. So we add here, some is in positive sentences and any is for negative sentences. And it's also possible in questions. Use some in positive sentences. What's already in your cupboards? Example, I've got some eggs, some oil, some flour, and some sugar. Let's make pancakes. Let's. Oops. That's the infinitive. Is a way to make a suggestion. Let's make pancakes. Let's make a cake. This is a suggestion. For example, I've got some bananas. I've got some strawberries. I've got some yogurt. Let's make a fruit smoothie, for example. Some is possible with countable or uncountable nouns. Countable or uncountable nouns in positive sentences. What's in your cupboards at home? What's already in your cupboards? You can tell me. You can use I've got, or you can also use I have. They are the same. The meaning is the same. What's already in your cupboards? For example, I have some pasta, some rice, some eggs, some vegetables, and some fruit. I have some pasta, some rice, some eggs, some vegetables, and some fruit. Pasta is uncountable. Rice, uncountable. Eggs, countable. Vegetables, countable. Fruit, uncountable. Thank you, Fabrizio. He's got some eggs, some flour, I think you want to say, Fabrizio, some flour, which is uncountable, so no S. He's got some sugar. Yes, let's make a cake. I'm very hungry now. And yes, flour is that food, uncountable. Thank you, Fabrizio. It was fantastic. Thank you. Okay. And any. I haven't got any. We use any in questions and negative sentences. Example, have you got any chocolate? Have you got any eggs? Also, for countable and uncountable nouns. Chocolate is uncountable, eggs are countable. Any we can use for countable and uncountable nouns. I want to bake cookies, but I haven't got any flour. This means 0 flour. Now ask your partner which ingredients they've got. So, Fabrizio, I will answer your question first. Can I say, I've got some and I've some? Good question. So, I've got some is correct. Okay, yes, you can use the contraction with I've got. I've got, you've got, she's got, he's got. Yes. With present simple have, we cannot use the contraction. So you must use the full form. I have some. I have some chocolate. I have some eggs. We cannot use the contraction in this form. Okay, with present simple of to have. Okay, I hope that answers your question. Okay, so Fabrizio, a question for you. Have you got any rice? Have you got any rice? Remember, have got and have are exactly the same. Your response can be I've got or I have. They are both perfectly correct. So Fabrizio, have you got any rice? Okay. Thank you, Fabrizio. just remember, any, okay, any is only for negative sentences and questions. Okay, for positive sentences, we use some. Okay, and Fabrizio, you have a positive sentence. Yes, I have. This is positive. So, if we can't use any, how would you change this phrase? Yes, I have some rice. Exactly. Very, very good. Very, very good. Fabrizio, have you got any apples? Have you got any apples? Or yes, Fabrizio, the negative would be I don't have any rice. Yes, I don't have any rice because that is negative. Any is correct. Very good. And another question for you, Fabrizio. Have you got any apples? You can answer this question and ask me a question if you like. Okay, great. No, I don't have any apples. Remember your verb. No, I don't have any apples. And yes, any is perfect because this is a negative question. A negative sentence, sorry. A negative sentence. Would you like to ask me a question, Fabrizio? You can ask me a question. Great question. Thank you, Fabrizio. That's a great question. Yes, I have some salt. Yes, I have some salt. One more question, Fabrizio? Another question? Something different? And anyone else who would like to ask a question, you can put it in the comments. Have you got with any? Have you got any? Because we can see along the bottom, okay? Any we use with negative questions, negative sentences and questions. You got another question for me, Fabrizio? Maybe it's taking some time to come through the question. That's okay. We can continue. Okay, thank you, Fabrizio. I have your question. Have you got any bottles of beer? Have you got any bottles of beer? Okay. No, I haven't got any bottles of beer. No, I haven't got any bottles of beer. This is the negative, have got, or I can say, no, I don't have any beer. No, I don't have any beer. This is the negative of to have. They are both perfectly correct. No, I haven't got any bottles of beer. Or, no, I don't have any bottles of beer. Or just beer. Great question. Thank you, Fabrizio. Have you got any bread? Yes, I have some bread. I always have bread. Yes, I have some bread. Hello, we have a lesson every hour until I think 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. Okay? So every hour. Very good, Fabrizio. Me too. Perfect. Very nice. You're welcome. Okay, now for enough. I haven't got enough. We use enough with countable and uncountable nouns. Have you got any chocolate? Yes, I've got some, but not enough. Have we got enough bread to make some sandwiches? We've got some bread, but we haven't got enough. Okay, when we use enough, it means the correct amount, okay, or the correct quantity, or the quantity that we need. Okay, enough means the correct quantity or the quantity that we need. Okay, if I need 2 eggs and I have 2 eggs, I have enough eggs. I have the correct quantity. If I need 2 eggs, but I have 1 egg, I don't have enough eggs. So in the negative, not enough means less than the correct quantity or less than what I need. Okay, not enough is less than what I need. Not more, but less than what I need. Okay. So let's see, Fabrizio. I have enough eggs for my cake. Okay, I have enough eggs for my cake. With enough, Fabrizio, we don't use numbers. Okay, if you want to use the numbers, it's 2 phrases. I have 2 eggs. I have enough eggs for my cake. Okay, we don't use enough with the numbers. And we don't use any quantifiers with numbers. Some, any, enough. They replace the numbers. Okay. I am not sure exactly of enough in Italian. For me, I may be incorrect, but I thought enough was like abbastanza, maybe. Okay, and the quasi is like almost, but maybe I am wrong. I am only an English teacher, not an Italian teacher. Okay. Yes, I'm not sure. That's something for us to we can check after the lesson, Fabrizio. So yes, remember enough is the correct quantity, the quantity that we need. If it's in the negative, for example, I don't have enough, or she doesn't have enough, this is less than the quantity I need. It's less than the correct quantity. Okay. Also, today we will look at the verb get. Get has many meanings. In this lesson, to get will mean to buy or to purchase. This is one example meaning of to get. For example, do you need to buy anything at the supermarket? Yes, I need to buy some eggs, some cheese, and some bread. You can also say, do you need to get anything at the supermarket? Yes, I need to get some eggs, some cheese, and some bread. Okay. In this situation, yes, Fabrizio, get can mean buy. Okay. So you can practice with me, Fabrizio. Do you need to get anything at the supermarket? Fabrizio, do you need to get anything at the supermarket? Using the example response, you can respond, Fabrizio. Do you need to get anything at the supermarket? For example, yes, I need to get some meat and some vegetables. Okay, and here is get. Fabulous. Excellent, Fabrizio. Yes, I need to get some carrots. Perfect. Perfect. So you can use get just like buy. Okay. So use the word get to talk about what you need to buy at the supermarket. This is an example of how you can use get in a conversation. I'm going to the supermarket. Do you want me to get you anything? Yes, I need to get some carrots and meat. Can you get me a newspaper too? It can also be correct with buy. I'm going to the supermarket. Do you want me to buy you anything? Yes, I need to buy some carrots and meat. Can you buy me a newspaper too? So buy is correct, but in reality, get is better. Get is more normal, natural, conversational English. So Fabrizio and anybody else who is with us, tell me, what do you need to get at the supermarket? For example, I need to get some meat and vegetables. For this response, no yes, because this is an open question. What do you need to get at the supermarket? I need to get some meat and some vegetables. Yes, correct, Fabrizio. It's often, usually get. Get is the correct way to have this conversation. Buy is not really common in this type of conversation. Okay. And what do you need to get from the supermarket? Great. I need to get some milk and cheese. Fabulous. Perfect. Using get. Well done. We can use get for different kinds of shopping. You can always use the word get to talk about what you want to buy. For example, what are you going to get your best friend for his or her birthday? For example, my best friend is a girl. So we say, I'm going to. Going to is for our intention, our idea. I'm going to get her some perfume. I'm going to get her some perfume. Perfume is uncountable. Bottle of perfume, countable. 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles of perfume. But the perfume is uncountable. So no S. I'm going to get her some perfume. And you, Fabrizio, or anybody, what are you going to get your best friend for his or her birthday? I'm going to get her some perfume. You can tell me your response. Okay, I will wait for your response and we can continue. Another example of get this conversation. I'd like to go to the concert next week. Where can I get tickets? You can get them at the ticket office. How many should I get? Do you want to come with me? Let's get 3 tickets. I think Lisa wants to come too. So also here, get means buy. Fantastic, Fabrizio. I'm going to get her some earrings. So earrings are countable. So we always use the S with some. I'm going to get her some earrings. Fabulous. I'm going to get her some earrings. Very good. Fabrizio, thank you. Very good. So in this example, get also means buy. Where can I buy tickets? You can buy them at the ticket office. How many should I buy? Let's buy 3 tickets. You can see buy and get here are the same, but get is better for conversation. Get is better. And you can also see the let's for suggestion. Let's get 3 tickets. This is a suggestion. Okay. Let's see, number 2, because we have a small time left. You and your best friend are planning a birthday party. What do you need to buy? Where can you buy it? How much should you get? And are you sure you have everything? What do we need to buy for a birthday party? I can say, I need to get, okay, I need to get some wine, some snacks, and a cake. I need to get some wine, some snacks, and a cake. Snacks is the small, like aperitif food. Okay, snacks. And a cake, not some cake. Because my birthday, I get 1 cake. So we use a cake. Okay. Where can you buy it? I can buy it, or I can get it from the supermarket. I can get it from the supermarket. Great response, Fabrizio. I need to get some drinks, some food, and some DJs, if it's plural, or a DJ, if it is a 1. Okay, so remember, with some is always plural for countable nouns. So some DJs, if you want a lot of, if you want plural DJs, or a DJ? Great. A DJ. Fantastic. Okay. Thank you, everybody. That is the end of our grocery shopping focus. Fabrizio, wonderful responses. Thank you very much for participating. And there will be another focus for this level starting at 2 o'clock. Thank you. Have a great afternoon. Bye.